These are filter replacements from Viralex, and I really love that they match my shirt today. It's the little things, isn't it? So these filters are super, super high quality. I really like they are impressive. Like you feel them and they feel, you hear that? This is so cool. They have, I don't know what's in there, but there's something in there like a charcoal or whatever. These filters are such high quality. You can feel them in the weight of them. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really appreciate it. What I'm super sad about that is that none of these fit the filters in my house. So, I've got the bigger filters, but these are so great because these are such more high quality than the ones that I have in there right now. You can just feel it by the weight of it and by the sound of what's in there. You've got this top layer that's going to really like get all of the little particles and stuff and not let them back out. And then you've also got this bottom layer as well. And you can just feel how high quality it is. These are also compatible for Morento. Morento is another really great company that I absolutely love. So these are compatible for those. You've got your front and up here front, and it's got even a little thing so you can pull them if you need to pull them out. Also, around the edges, you've got some extra foam here that's going to really push that filter in and make it really super tight and secure for really getting any of the little dusty stuff in the air. Really fabulous. So once again, thank you for sending this to me to review. They really are flipping awesome.